Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA, and I want to introduce you to my newest rental property, 16 Fisher Road here in Hingham. Let's go take a look. An amazing location in Hingham. You're just about 5 minutes to everything. Downtown, the commuter rail, even Nantasket Beach in Hull. This is in the East Elementary School District, but it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-level ranch, just over about 1,300 square feet. Huge first floor living room you see here as you walk into that front door. Now, no lights are on. This is all sunlight coming in through these windows, as you can see. You walk straight down, a little eat-in kitchen area, another view of that living room there. And then the kitchen in great shape, updated countertops, updated appliances, little side door from the driveway there. And then as we walk downstairs here to this lower level, which also is a walk out to the backyard, which I'll show you a sneak peek in a bit, you'll see this huge room. Now, this can be used as a rec room. This could be used as an exercise room, an office, or even a 4th bedroom if needed. Little storage space here with the systems. Sneak peek of the backyard there. And then here is your lower level full bathroom, laundry included. Another view of this bathroom. A lot of space down here. And then we'll head back upstairs, turn around this corner here and show you this kitchen pantry, which we forgot to get to on the upstairs tour there. As you can see, plenty of space in that pantry for whatever you need it for. Now let's head upstairs. 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath on this floor, as well as this hallway closet. This is bedroom number 1. Let's get you a better view from this corner here. A lot of closet space, but you can see a ton of natural light. Again, there's no lights on anywhere right now. Another view of that living room downstairs. Here is bedroom number 2. A little bit smaller, but still plenty of space. This room has the door to the back deck, which we'll show you in a sec. Bedroom number 3. And then we'll spin right around and show you this recently updated bathroom here on the 2nd floor. Now, for a rental property in Hingham, this bathroom is top notch. You get the skylight up here as well, letting in a ton of natural light. Another view of this bathroom, the shower, and look at that rainfall shower head. Yes, please. And then we'll head right back to the back deck here. Like I mentioned, the access is through this 2nd bedroom here. You can also access it from the side. There's a staircase, but a massive back deck that spans the entire width of the home. Give you another view of this backyard. That shed, by the way, is included. That is on this property and is included in this rental. Huge, huge deck. A lot of possibilities with chairs, tables, barbecues, etc. But we'll roll around, give you another view of the house from the back. A little sneak peek of this backyard. Huge backyard, perfect for kids to run around, perfect to entertain. And here's that last view of the back of the house. So if you'd like to see 16 Fisher Road, here is my contact info. Shoot me a text, a message, whatever you got. But as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.